All right, welcome back. Welcome back to Examhood. We want to continue from where we stopped last time. And this time around, we are looking at a very critical problem, still under percentage profit and loss. And so this one it's a little bit technical. So let's solve it together. After selling a laptop, Tolu made a 15% loss and sold it for 85,000 naira. What was the cost price? What was the cost price? And so we are going to bring in the formula for cost price or percentage profits, because it says Tolu actually made a 15%, okay, 15% loss. I'm going to bring in the formula for percentage loss. Percentage loss is equals to the cost price. Let's use abbreviation. Cost price minus selling what? Price. All over what? Cost price times 100. And the cost price has been given to this. The percentage loss is actually 15%. 15% is equals to what's the cost price? They say, and sold it for what? For 85,000. That's the selling price. So the cost price is not known, minus the selling price is what? 85,000 naira. All over what's the cost price is not known, times what? Times 100. So from here, you are looking for the cost price. So we're going to cross multiply. So by the time you cross multiply, you're going to have, before crossing multiply, you need to, let's simplify this one. 15 over 1 is equals to 100 times, you are multiplying the numerators. 100 times cost price will give you 100 CP, minus 100 times 85,000 will give you what? 85000. Simply add the two zeros and all of that. So you have this all over CP, which is a cost price. So from here, you're going to cross multiply. And by crossing multiply, this CP will multiply this. So let's continue from here. CP times 15 will give you 15 CP is equals to 100 CP minus 8500000. Now you are collecting items. You are looking for the cost price. So what do? I'm going to carry this minus 85. This is 8,500,000. We're going to take it to the left hand side. So you know that it is minus, crossing this equality sign, it will change to 8500000. Why we are going to take this 15 CP to the right hand side, and it is plus, crossing this equality sign to change to what? Minus 100 CP minus 15 CP. Remember, CP is a cost price. So you have 8,500,000. 8,500,000 is equals to 100 CP minus 15 CP will give you 85 what? Cost price. So we are looking for cost price. Divide both sides by what? Cost price. I will have CP is equals to 85 all over what? All over 85. So 85 into itself one time, and 85 into 85 will give you one time. So you're having the cost price is 100,000. That's 100,000 naira. So that's your cost price. That is your cost price according to this question. You can see that it is a little bit technical, but if you follow the procedure carefully, you discover that it's very, very simple and straightforward. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.